In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode Google Chrome. If your browser looks dim and you prefer the classic bright look, we'll switch Chrome back to light using the built-in customization panel. This affects the browser's frame, tabs, toolbar, and new tab page. It won't change your computer system theme or a website's own dark mode, but it will make Chrome itself light again. Start by opening a fresh new tab in Google Chrome. The quickest way is to click the plus icon next to your existing tabs or use the keyboard shortcut for a new tab. Make sure you're on Chrome's default new tab page. If an extension has replaced it with a custom page, the option we need might not appear. Look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page and click the Customize Chrome button. In many versions, it shows a pencil icon and says Customize Chrome, and on some it may read Customize this page. Either way, clicking it opens a sidebar or pop-up with layout and color options. Inside that panel, find the Appearance section. Within Appearance, locate the color and theme options. This is where Chrome stores its light, dark, and custom color presets, and you can preview how the browser will look as you move between them. Choose Light. As soon as you select Light, Chrome updates the interface on the spot. Your tabs, toolbar, and the background of the new tab page should switch to a bright theme without restarting the browser. If you prefer Chrome to follow your computer's setting automatically, you may also notice a system default option nearby. Light will keep it bright regardless of your operating system. When you're happy with how it looks, close the customization panel by clicking the X in the top corner. There's no save button here. Chrome applies your choice immediately, so closing the panel simply gets it out of the way. Existing windows usually adopt the change right away. If you have multiple windows open, give them a moment to refresh. That's it. You opened a new tab, opened Customize Chrome, went to Appearance, selected Light under Color and Theme, and closed the panel. Remember, some websites have their own dark mode toggles, so if a specific site still looks dark, check the site's settings. Otherwise, enjoy browsing in light mode and feel free to return to this panel anytime to tweak colors or switch back.